Learn to write. Writing is fun.
Go play house. Let's go play house.
In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we will learn the formation of letter F. Now we will learn the formation of small f. Put your pencil below the skyline. Now make a curve while touching the skyline. Now come down straight and touch the grass line. Now put your pencil on the fence line and make 2 hands. Let's try again, kids. Bravo, you did great. Now we will learn the formation of capital F. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight and touch the grass line. Now put your pencil on the skyline again and make a straight line from left to right. Now put your pencil on the fence line. Make a small straight line left to right. Let's try again, kids. Bravo, you did great. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.